Economic style. Economic style. People face trade-off, but don't be afraid. 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 Cost of something's what you give to get. This is when opportunity cost comes into play. What you're willing to give up to get something you want. Cost of something is what you give to get. Rational people think at the margin, and rational people tend to always achieve their goals. Economic style. Economic style. Economic style. Economic style. 10 principles. Economic style. Economic style. Economic style. 10 principles. We all love gifts. That's why we respond to incentives. Parents tell us to get good grades and we will get some more money. People respond to incentives. People respond to incentives. People respond to incentives. Trade can make everyone better off. 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 Yeah. Trade can make everyone better off. 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 Don't you remember trading your Pokemon cards? Economic style. Economic style. Economic style. 10 principles. Economic style. Economic style. Economic style. 10 principles. Markets are usually a good way to organize economic activities. Governments sometimes improve market outcomes with some market power. Power. A country's standard of living depends on the ability to produce good, aka productivity. Price rise when the government prints too much money, aka inflation. Society faces a short trade-off. Society faces a short run trade-off. It's called the business cycle.